Hello everyone. Today I am going to do a white flower painting with watercolor. Sometimes we get confused when we do white object with watercolor. So I am going to give a demo today. And this is my last painting of 2021. So wishing you a very happy new year to you. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it because I share a lot of watercolor related tips and tricks in my channel. And watch this video till end to get some interesting tips to improve your watercolor. Our drawing should be very neat and clean and very light for watercolor. Otherwise it will be seen after applying our color because a watercolor always transparent, and if we see all the lines after applying the color it will not look good. So we'll have to take care of when doing the drawing. Now I am applying little water on my sheet before applying the color because where I am right now the area is little bit dry. So watercolor always depends on the water consistency. So we'll have to take care of the water, how much water we need to add before applying the color. That is very important. We should always look how much water we need to add with the color, or how much water I need to use before applying the color on my sheet. Those things are very important thing which we need to take care of every time when we do watercolor, and these things you will be getting after doing several practices. In some YouTube video itself I have seen that people say that you can learn watercolor in 5 days or 10 days, but I never support that because watercolor is a skill, and you need to do practice. Without practice you will not be able to learn the actual watercolor techniques. Every time you do something you will get little bit knowledge about that and try to implement that knowledge in your next work, and as much as you practice you will gain more. So it takes time, little patience and little practice needed. Mistakes are very important, whether it is watercolor or any other medium or whatever. But in watercolor, we do not have any option of doing corrections once we do a major mistake because it is water based and your sheet already absorbs a lot of water and color. But still, I will say, please do not ignore your mistakes and don't get scared that, oh no, I have done something wrong and I cannot delete it. You try to understand what you have done, where you did the mistake, and do the corrections in your next one. But sometimes in watercolor your mistakes also looks very good in some areas, so try that and don't get scared and don't be so much careful when you are doing watercolor. Your carelessness also gives a different kind of effect in watercolor. Try that sometimes. For watercolor, we need to use little thick sheets which you can buy from any online stores, where you can blend your colors very easily. And after applying several layers also, your sheet will not damage. Watercolor needs a lot of patience. Unlike acrylic and oil, we cannot work on the wet area again and again. It will damage your sheet. So after one layer, we need to wait for drying the sheet. Then after drying, again we can apply another layer. Then again we'll have to wait. It takes a lot of time, but if we will not wait, then your colors will not look fresh at end. Always use a very clean color palette, clean brushes, and very clean water. Every time you need to change your water once you apply some dark color, and if you want to apply some lighter color after that, because your water is already dirty. If you wash your brush in the dirty water, your painting also will get spoiled. So it's good if you take two water mugs, or if you change your water frequently, that will be good. Try to finish your watercolor in minimum 3 layers. If you want, you can increase your layers also later on, but for beginners, it will be good if you try to finish your painting in 3 layers. First one only a light wash, second one you can add little bit detail, and third one only the detail part. In that way, if you start, then your work will be neat and clean till the end, and you will not get confused. But later on, if you gain little practice, then definitely you can go for several wash or several layers in your sheet. But for the first time, whoever is doing the watercolor, you can complete their work in 3 layers. I hope you liked my video today. If you like this video, please share with your friends, and whoever wants to start their watercolor journey, please share with them also. And please like and subscribe my channel to get this kind of more videos. And please comment below in section that what are the things you want to learn more. I will try to give your answers in my next session. Until then, bye bye, take care, and Happy New Year to you all. Thank you.